Brandon with Davidson Audio, and today is just gonna be a very quick video because Thunder Beach 2024 is fast approaching. It's actually next week, May 1st to the 5th, and we're not gonna be at the shop. The reason for this video is to let you guys know that we will not be here at our shop location, which is 1901 West 15th Street this year for the spring rally. We are actually going to be out on the beach at what they call the bike rack, which is the old Miracle Strip. It's kind of down the road, kitty corner from Shipwreck Island. The address to that parking lot location is 12,000 Front Beach Road, Panama City Beach. We had a shop, Watson Sounds, hit us up. It was like, hey man, we would love to have you over there. We usually don't leave the shop, but we decided this year, why not, let's just give it a shot, because we've never done installs before over there. And that brings me to the point of this video. We will be doing some small install stuff there, but we're primarily gonna be focusing on Harley installs while we're there. And I know Davidson Audio, we're known for the Indian motorcycle audio. That's what we specialize in. But I want everybody to understand, when it comes to the Indian motorcycles, they take a lot longer than a Harley to do. So that's why we don't like to do Harley or Indians during rallies, because of the time. It just takes so long. We do have some people stopping in to do some small stuff, like adding some lowers and LP6 kit. No problem doing that. But in the least, come on down, see us. We're gonna have our two shop challengers, the Chieftain and our shop Harley, there. So come on down, talk to us, see us while we're there, listen to the bike, so that way you know, like, hey, this is what I wanna do, this is the route I wanna do. Come and meet us in person, see how we do and how we operate. So it'll give you that little peace of mind if you're thinking about ordering one of our audio systems. And there's not really much to talk about. It's Thunder Beach. It's May 1st to May 5th, located here in Panama City Beach, Florida. And again, we are going to be located at, they call it Bike Rack, which is the old Miracle Strip. It's located on the corner of Front Beach Road and AlfColman right there. It's that big parking lot. You can't miss it. There's going to be a lot of people there. So again, it's 12,000 Front Beach Road. Come on down and see us. We're gonna have our Davidson Audio trailer there. We're gonna have our canopies up. We're gonna have our tents flying. We're gonna have the bikes there. We're gonna be doing installs for the Harley. Now, when I say installs for the Harley, it's just gonna be basic fairing and lids. Either you have lids or we're gonna do lid cutting kit. That's it. We're not going anything beyond that. It's gonna be very simple, easy installs while we're here. So if you have a Harley and you want us to do an install, please get a hold of us now, get on the schedule, or come on down and see us there so that way we can do your install. So one last time, we will not be at our shop location in Panama City. We will be out on the beach, 12,000 Front Beach Road, Panama City Beach, Florida. We will be there from the 1st to the 5th. So come on down and see us, either for an install on your Harley, if you got some small stuff on your Indian, or you just want to come down and see us and talk Indian or motorcycle audio as a whole. We would love to meet you. It's a great opportunity for people to come on and see us. So please make sure to come down and see us. As always, if you are looking for the absolute best aftermarket audio solution for your Indian, Harley motorcycle, or any other motorcycle for that matter, make sure you get us out here in beautiful Panama City, Florida.